it's your girl LING and we are back with another video. Today we have a clothing haul from this brand called Milanoo. I don't really know how to pronounce it that well. I've done a clothing haul with them before, literally a year ago this month. So yeah, I did one literally last year. I don't know if you guys liked it or not, but this year we got a whole bunch of new stuff. I'm excited to try it on. The stuff I ordered looked cute on the model, so hopefully, you know, it looked cute on me. But you know, things be a little hit or miss sometimes with these type of websites. So I don't know. I do have a code. It will be on the screen the whole time throughout the video, so you can just screenshot it if you forget it. And while you're here, just hit the subscribe button. So we got a few things. One of them I'm just gonna get out the way. So I did go and order a wig from them because I was just curious, you know. I ordered like a banged wig, but y'all can see I already got a wig on. But whatever. So, I mean, at least the little part at the top looked like real scalp. I don't know if it's like translating on camera, but it literally looks like somebody's scalp. But I mean, I don't know how I'm supposed to put this on. I don't really have a wig on. We're just gonna see. You know, I didn't think I was gonna look good with bangs, to be honest. Obviously it's not real human hair. Yeah, that was just for fun, you know. That was just for fun. But yeah, we're gonna get into the other stuff. All of them I noticed have to be laced up. Like they're all items that have some type of lace or not, you know, like string or whatever. And none of them came with it already done. I didn't sign up to be a seamstress, but you know, we just have to make it do what it do. So I'm gonna start off with one that I don't think has you know, any strings. Alright, so the first one is this gray bodysuit and it's sleeveless, so I'm gonna try it on and then we're gonna see what it do. Alright y'all, so this is what the bodysuit looks like. I like it, but at the same time I have mixed feelings. I could have sworn that I ordered like a darker gray or maybe black. I'm not sure, maybe I didn't. I like it, but I just feel like, you know, it's just, I have a camel toe, okay? Like I'm skinny with a, you know, so it's just, I feel like when I look, my eyes just, you know, drop. But other than that, I mean, I think it's cute, but I also feel like I look like a roll of aluminum foil. Like, you know, not the shiny side, like, you know, other side that's not that shiny, yeah, that side. I put on a little bra too to give y'all like, you know, a little bit of like, you know, some of this action because I don't really have that much going on without the bra. So with the bra I have a little something. But honestly, I do think it's cute. I'm 5'8" and it literally comes all the way to my ankles, past my ankles with a little extra space. So it's tall girl friendly. So this will give it, we'll give her a 7 out of 10. I'm just not a fan of the color. I feel like this isn't my color. But she is cute. She's cute. It's just the color. But I got, I'm pretty sure, a size small. Let me see. Alright, this is in Shein. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, yeah, I got this in a size small. So, yeah, I mean, I could jack her. I could jack her. Do it look like I have a butt? Not really. It's not really giving dump truck, but I don't know. I like her, though. It's just the color. I really don't know when I would wear this because it has no sleeves, so it's like, is it hot outside? Is it cold outside? Because I'm already getting hot right here. So we're gonna move on to the next item now. I'll be walking up to the camera forgetting that I have a remote now for the camera because your girl upgraded, you know. I don't gotta keep touching the camera. Alright, if y'all hear that noise in the background, it's the AC. I know y'all can't see me, but this is what I'm talking about. So this is like a one piece, but this is separate. Like, I don't like that. Now I'm taking 2.2 just because I did not sign up to lace this shit up. Alright y'all, I know I was talking a lot of shit talking about, oh, we taking 2.2 off, we taking 2.2 off. No. 10 out of 10, I love this. Once again, I'm 5'8", it goes all the way down to my ankles, past my ankles. The only thing is that it is see-through, which is why I got my hands here because you can literally see the color of my nipples. You can see it. But outside of that, I got a size small. It literally hugs my body. It ties up in the back. That's the part that I was lacing up. I probably didn't do it right, but whatever. You can probably see my underwear too. I'm wearing gray and blue underwear. I can definitely see in the mirror, so I know y'all can definitely see in that light. But y'all, it's just giving like, you know, calm day. Like even right now, this just looks so cute. And I would definitely either wear this with like sandals or heels. But like with a thong, I feel like it's definitely going to give me a little booty. But yeah, I love this. This is 10 out of 10. I have it in like this cream color. Like I said, I got a size small. And it literally is hugging me. Like, hugging me. Like, I'm just, honestly, I don't want to take it off. Like, literally, all I just need is some nipple stickers, some nipple covers, whatever it's called. And we good to go. Honestly, that's what it's giving. Like, I'm in love with this. I know I was going to love this. I was just hoping that it was going to be long enough, and she's long enough. Like, I feel like I'm in the Jackson 5 or something. It's flare-like at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe in the mirror. Like, I don't know. I'm sorry. It's just so cute. Like, this is like a cute brunch fit. It's not giving too much, but it's not giving too little, you know? That's what it's doing. Okay, y'all. So I put on 2 items. The first one is this like white lace-up top. I actually really like this top. I think it's really cute and simple and calm, and it's like it gives a little bit of sexy mixed with basic, you know. The second thing is this green skirt, which I was really looking forward to, but in my opinion it did not deliver. So I actually had to fold it up a little bit. So it has these little things on the side. I don't know if y'all can like see them, but it like goes both sides of the dress. It's like little loops, and then it came with this really long string to like drape, you know, across the front, the back, and all of that. But lacing it up was honestly so tedious. It was taking so long, and honestly I feel like it didn't even, first of all, there's not enough string. Well, let me not say there's not enough, because I made this loose because I don't want like the skirt to be so tight. So maybe there is enough string because I have, you know, extra. I didn't make it to the bottom loop. So if I fold it up like a mini skirt, this is what it would look like, you know, if I wasn't missing the bottom loops. However, I don't know. I feel like, okay, maybe I do like it. I just gotta finish lacing it up. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. Like, I think it's cute, and I have this whole outfit in mind that I want to do with it. But the lacing it up, I really just wish it came with the lace already done and sold in, so that I wouldn't have to do this every time I wash it or want to wear it. I feel like if I stand this way, it's like, you know, cute. But like I said, I don't know. I have mixed feelings. So the top, 10 out of 10. The bottom, we'll give it a 6 out of 10 because I really just don't know how I feel about her. Like, it was just the lacing up that I wasn't feeling. And I wish it was like a little bit more tighter and form-fitting. It's like very loose, spandexy. I mean, which I guess is good, but at the same time, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I personally, I'm just not feeling her. I want to feel her, but I'm not feeling her. Alright, y'all, so this is the last item. It's this pink crop 2-piece. Well, I don't know if you can say it's cropped. I guess it depends on like how high or low you pull the skirt up. I pulled it a little bit low because I wanted to show my midriff a little bit. But yeah, it's literally see-through. Like, you're gonna have to wear either a strapless bra, which is totally doable with this because the back isn't too low, or some pasties, because you can see the rows. You can see them loud and clear. Honestly, I like this. The sleeve feels like a thick material. I mean, I like it overall. I do like it. It's just the see-through part that kind of pissed me off, because if y'all know me, y'all know I don't wear a bra. So we can't be getting see-through. But other than that, I do like her. I think she's really cute. I think it's a cute color. And I already have so many like poses in mind that I can like do with her. Like, I think she's really giving. And like I said, I'm tall, so she's tall girl friendly. She goes all the way down. But like I said, it depends on how high or how low you want it. I'm not gonna move this arm because y'all gonna see her, and then YouTube is going to demonetize me. But yeah, I think she's literally so cute. Like, this is like the material. Not that it's like, you know, a special material, but I feel like in the camera she looks white. If she does, I promise she's like a light baby pink. But she's really cute. Hopefully when I start posting on Instagram again, I could give y'all, you know, some cute pictures in this. But yeah, that is the end of the haul. That was all of it. They didn't send us too much. I think they was like 6 or 7 things. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Everything will be linked down below. Like I said, the code is somewhere on the screen. Screenshot it, use it. They do have cute stuff. Just make sure you like check the size chart. That was the biggest thing. I got everything in a size small. Make sure you hit that make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But this is really gonna beat the girls up though. Like no kizzy, no cat. The socks is frying me. The black socks is frying me. But when I'm looking in the mirror and I just feel like Ariana Fletcher. Like I just feel like I don't know, like I'm a celebrity. I said I'm celebrity. Like I'm some celebrity. You know, I got the long straight hair. I'm on a red carpet, and this was like something basic, and I'm just serving the girls up. Ooh.